If you're looking for a cost-effective and easy way to give the front end of your 15 to 17 Mustang a facelift, these fog light splitters are the way to go. We're going to show you a quick product review and then a step-by-step installation on how to upgrade the front end of your S550 Mustang. Check it out. Are you looking for a quick and easy mod to add an aggressive look to the front end of your 2015 to 17 Mustang? This is the way to go with these fog light splitters for your S550. It has a matte black finish that you can either run completely as is out of the box, or you can paint it to match your car or add a gloss black finish. It's totally up to you. It's one screw for installation as well as some double-sided tape. We'll show you the quick and easy way on how to install these on your S550 Mustang. Here are the tools required for installation. If your car is on the ground, all you need to do is turn the wheel towards the opposite direction so you can get access to the fender liner and remove the bottom two push pins holding the fender liner into place against the splash shield. Then you can begin removing the rest of the push pins all the way up to the 12 o'clock position in the fender liner. Now you can pull the fender liner back and get access to the bracket holding the turn signal and running lamp in place. That bottom right screw is what you're going to need to remove in order to install the fog light splitters on your 15 to 17 Mustang. Grab a socket and go ahead and remove that screw. And now you're ready to prep the surface for the adhesive on these fog light splitters. Grab some rubbing alcohol and wipe down the finish of the housing for the turn signal. It doesn't take much, just make sure the surface is clean. You want to do the same thing on the fog light splitter. Now you can use the double-sided tape to cut to length and add it to the fog light splitter. Once you're happy with the placement of the double-sided tape, you can remove the red film on the surface. And now you're ready to install your new fog light splitter. Once you feel it pop into place, you can push up on the fog light splitter to help the double-sided tape adhere into place. It takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, you can install the screw back in the location that you removed earlier, put the fender liner back into place, repeat the process on the other side, and your installation is complete. Like I said, installation is an absolute breeze for these things, and it totally switches up the front end of your S550, especially if you pair it with a set of these Alpha X headlights. Comment below and let us know your thoughts, or if there are any other Mustang parts installations you want to see on this S550 Mustang. Let us know. Hit that like and subscribe button, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.